So this is my Mother Nature dress. So you've got the stars on here, if it'll actually focus. Focus. Okay, whatever. It looks quite nice. Yeah, you can see that good enough. So you've got all of the little stars around and it looks quite nice. And then you've got this little... There, you can see the stars better now. And then you've got the sort of waterfall Mother Nature dress. I'm actually really happy with how this dress turned out. And then I'm pretty happy with this little detail up here. And the skin colour really sort of helps to separate what is actually the mannequin and what isn't. So, yeah, hope you enjoy it.